Hello and welcome back to iPhone Made Simple. If you've ever wondered where all your passwords are stored on your iPhone, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and manage all your saved passwords safely and simply. Nothing you do here will change your passwords unless you choose to. So, section 1, where passwords are stored. So you're going to open the Passwords app on your iPhone. If you don't see this app on your home screen, you can easily find it inside Settings under Apps. Your iPhone securely stores website and app passwords here. You'll need Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to access them. Section 2, viewing a password. Tap on any website or app within this, then you can see the username and password, which will be hidden by a row of dots. Tap these dots to reveal it. Section 3, autofill. Your iPhone can basically automatically fill in passwords when you sign in. That's why you don't usually need to remember them. This doesn't send your passwords anywhere. They just simply stay securely stored on your device. You don't need to memorize everything. Your iPhone is basically designed to make this much easier for you. I post simple iPhone tips like this each week to make everyday use easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.